To ensure you get the most from your Electude teacher account, there are a number of settings you'll want to become familiar with. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure settings for import and export of student data. These settings are particularly important when it comes time to evaluate student performance. To configure import and export settings, go to the Settings tab at the top menu bar, then select Import and Export from the left-hand menu. For CSV encoding, select ISO Standard for Western data characters or UTF-8 for Asian and other non-Western data characters. If you wish to download scores for either an individual or group, including those items which they have not yet opened, you'll want to change Export Empty Results from No to Yes. You can customize what fields are displayed on the CSV export by deselecting items you don't wish to view on the report. Once you've made your selections, click OK to save settings. To export student results, go to the Students tab, select a group, then drill down through the assigned content until you locate the item you wish to export results for. In this example, it's all quiz scores for an individual student. At the bottom of the list, click the Download Results icon. Note that in this example, there are a number of empty results for quizzes that have not yet been opened. After clicking the Download Results icon, a CSV spreadsheet will open from your web browser downloads. The data displayed in the columns will be in accordance with your previous settings. After clicking the Download Results icon, a CSV spreadsheet will open from your web browser downloads. The data displayed in the columns will be in accordance with your previous settings. Please go to electude.com to view more training tutorials.